The Datavideo TP800 is a portable teleprompter great for use with any camera, including Datavideo PTZ cameras. It is a complete freestanding teleprompter kit that is all stored inside a rugged case. The monitor has a built-in teleprompter application for your scripts and can connect to a LAN network. Once connected, you can control, write, and edit scripts on your laptop to play on the TP800. Or you can connect and sync an additional TP800 system for a presidential-style setup with 2 teleprompters. To start, take the TP800 out of the box. It ships in a rugged portable carrying case. The TP800 kit includes a soft case containing the 50/50 beam splitter glass, the 15-inch LCD control unit, a sun hood, an extendable pole, an adjustable glass clamp, a power supply, a 5-meter Ethernet cable, a USB mouse, a 3.5mm input adapter for the WR500 remote, and finally, a cable for battery power. Next, let's assemble all the TP800 components together. Take out the extendable pole and screw it onto the hard case and frame. Attach the adjustable glass clamp to the top of the extendable pole using the thumb screw. Insert the 50/50 beam splitter glass into the adjustable beam splitter glass clamp. Turn the thumb screw clockwise to secure the glass. The glass should be angled at approximately 40 degrees. You should be able to see the entire 15-inch LCD screen in the glass when stood directly in front of the teleprompter. To keep unwanted light away from the monitor, you can attach the sun hood to the TP800 case. Wrap the sun hood around the monitor, then attach the Velcro on both sides of the sun hood to the Velcro on the left and right sides of the inside of the lid. You are now ready to power on the TP800. To connect your TP800 to a laptop, they need to be connected to the same LAN network through a Wi-Fi router. Connect the supplied USB mouse to the TP800 and power it on. Once the TP800 has booted up, right-click to close the DV Prompter app. Click the gear icon to access settings, then click More, then Ethernet. Change Ethernet IP mode from static to DHCP. Then, using the 5-meter Ethernet cable in the TP800 kit, connect the TP800 to your Wi-Fi router or LAN network. Next, open the DV Prompter Plus app, then click the menu bar and then Network. The Web User Interface Control URL will be shown below. Connect your laptop to the same Wi-Fi router or LAN network as the TP800 and enter the URL into the internet browser. Now you can control the TP800. You can create a new script by clicking the striped bar with the plus icon. You can copy and paste an existing script from anywhere on your computer or compose a script inside the editor. Your script will automatically save when you close it. Press the play icon to play your script on the TP800. In the Settings tab, you can adjust the font, text and background color, scrolling speed, and more. To set up the PTC140 with the TP800, place the camera on a tripod close to the beam splitter glass, so the eye line of the talent will be close to the camera. Do not put the PTC140 behind the TP800. Having it close to the glass, but with enough room to pan around your set, will be the best for getting coverage of your talent. To learn more about the TP800, click on the links in the description below. Follow us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest news and more tutorials from Datavideo. Thanks for watching.